Good morning, welcome to IRES. We are here today with the management team and two of the most important opinion leaders of IRES, Professor Massimo Simeon and Professor Giulio Rasperini. Both of them professor of the University of Milan, researcher and world-class speakers with more than 13 years of experience. I would like to open this interview with Dr. Alessandro Ribolla, the General Manager. What are the goals for IRES in terms of growth?
From 2011, our project is based on 4 key points, that is quality, innovation, a wide product portfolio, education, but all at a sustainable price. We achieve competitive advantages, and that allows us to expand in over 15 countries all over around the world. And today our goal is not to sell a product, but to provide a service, a global experience to our customers. Our offer is the result of important research and study that allowed us to reintroduce the hybrid implant in the modern age. This implant, combined with reliable connection like conical connection or friction fit type connection, along with product for oral hygiene such as silver plug and Obagel, help us to reduce all variable risk and guarantee products for the long-term success. This system is having great success and positive feedback from our customers. I would like to remind you that Professor Simeon and Professor Rasperini are users of Obagel and silver plug. I'm very proud to announce that the cooperation between IRES and Professor Simeon will continue for the next years. I'm equally excited to announce that Professor Rasperini will join our research team. I believe that they will give great continuity to our research thanks to their clinical and scientific experience.
Professor Simeon, what are the reasons for choosing to continue to collaboration with IRES?
It's a long story, and I will try to make it short. We started to do implants more than 30 years ago, and in the beginning we were very successful. We were using a traditional implant with a machine like a kind of a smooth surface, and we had very long-term success in that period. Then we started to use different surfaces that were roughened with different processes, and very soon we understood that they were not working as well because they were creating inflammatory problems due to plaque accumulation, bacteria accumulation. Then about 10 years ago, I wanted to go back to the traditional surface. I started to speak with different companies, but the only one that understood my thinking and wanted to follow me was IRES. So we started a very fruitful cooperation that have been lasted for 5 years. So now I'm very proud and happy to continue in the same kind of cooperation.
So what will be your role in the project IRES exactly?
My role will be, like in the last 5 years, to coordinate the research and the education in the company. And today I will do that together with my friend Giulio Rasperini. We have been cooperating together since probably more than 30 years. And our role will be to put on the table new ideas and try to improve the system to have it more affordable for the people and to have it more predictable. So I'm very enthusiastic to continue this kind of adventure with IRES company.
Good morning, Professor Rasperini. We felt their enthusiasm when they welcome you in the team. Why did you choose to collaborate with IRES?
Oh, it's a great pleasure because the possibility, the opportunity to work with Professor Massimo Simeon, and also because I'm excited to work as a periodontist. So the aim of my job is to save the teeth. And actually, in case we need to extract the teeth, natural teeth, and we need to place implants, we need to place proper implants with a proper design. And so I'm excited to work at the project of the hybrid implants, and the natural evolution of the hybrid implants is the zirconia implants. Beside the implants, IRES offer a variety of products to prevent periimplantitis and to treat periimplantitis in case it occurs. So I think it's a perfect company for me, for my job, and for Massimo.
I would like to introduce Mr. Michele Francese, Scientific Director of IRES. I ask you why IRES invests in courses.
As Alessandro said before, IRES is not just products. We aim to become the #1 company for education program.
Mr. Ribolla, what does continuing education mean for IRES?
As the word says, it's a continuous program that enrich the customer and keep them updated along the years, passing from the basic course to advanced course, also digital courses. During courses, we are able to understand the needs of our customer and satisfy them. All courses are offered in different countries in English language, translated in native language.
I know we will see you soon for another video interview.
We will see you soon in Mendrisio in our manufacturing site, where we will illustrate our project of open factory, where our customer can see directly our process throughout all the manufacturing steps. Thanks again to Professor Simon, Professor Asperini and Michele for the motivation and determination put every day in the project.
Well, thank you so much for your time and see you soon in the next video.